If you have ever accidentally pulled off the zipper pull from your zipper, or if you want to buy zippers by the yard and you need to attach those zipper pulls onto the zipper coil, this technique is how you do it. And it's really easy once you get the hang of it. So I'm going to zip my zipper pull just off of my zipper tape, and I'm going to separate the sides of the zipper tape. And here's where our unorthodox tool comes in. And I'm using a fork for this. And I've taped it down. You can tape it down to the edge of your desk, or I've taped it down to the edge of my machine so that I can work around it. And we're going to use this just like as a third hand to hold this zipper pull steady while we are inserting each side of our zipper tape back into it. So you'll be able to find, or you should be able to find a fork where you can just slide the head of that zipper pull between two of the tines. And we're not inserting the tines into the holes of the zipper head. That's where the zipper tape is going to go. We're just sort of wedging this zipper pull in between those tines so that it holds it steady. And I have my zipper pull or my zipper head upside down right now so that I can work on the top of the zipper so you can see what I'm doing. So because it's upside down, I'm going to flip my zipper tapes upside down as well. And I'm going to insert the coil into each side of that zipper pull. And I want to push those through at about the same rate. If we get one or two zipper teeth off kilter, that's okay. We can just sort of snip that away. But I'm just pulling that through until those zipper teeth catch. And I'm pretty even on the bottom, so I don't need to trim any off, but there is my zipper. So let's look at that again. So I'm going to slide that, pull on those fork tines. And as we insert this in at a little bit of an angle, I just kind of have to wiggle those through and work that through until they catch. So there is your zipper pull reattached onto your zipper tape. So if you have ever accidentally pulled your zipper pull off of your coil, or if you want to buy zippers by the yard and those zipper pulls come separate, you can then attach the zipper pull onto your zipper and be able to use it for your project.